Hello and welcome back. So there I'm just going to teach you some more things about the Bootstrap. Let's just press an enter, and actually what I'm just going to teach you is the listing, how to create a list in the Bootstrap in the way of the Bootstrap actually. So first of all, I'm just teaching you to make a list using the UL technique. Definitely we use the UL for making lists, by the way. Now here is the class attribute. I'm just going to add the value of the class as the list group. Okay, save that and just press some enter. Add the li as per required for the UL and add the class here as well. What the class should be list group, but one more thing, the item, list group item. Here I'm just setting the text. This is the list element. Duplicate that multiple times. Okay, go to the browser and refresh that. Now we got the list looking really perfect. Definitely. Well, if you just want to make the list group by using the div tags with some more techniques, I'm just adding the div tag here. We can add the list groups in the div tags as well. So first of all, I'm just adding the class, and then what the value I'm just putting in the class is the list group again. Okay, the same thing, going inside the div and adding some a tags, href, the hyperreference, and then just cover that and then just type here, this is the div list element, whatever you want to type to clarify that there is a little difference. And then just going to the a tags, the starting tag of the a, and putting some class here as well, and then just type list, you know that what we have to put, list group item. Save that and go to the browser and refresh that. Now you can see that there is the list here. Well, just duplicate that and now refresh that one. Now why I just put it the a tag, just because I just want to make sure that we are just hovering something. Now the whole area is a list. When I just click anywhere, I can be accessed anywhere. If I just put any address there, well, there is something more interesting we can do with these lists, both of the lists actually. Just add any space and again type the list group item, but now don't end it there, just add a hyphen and type info. Any effect you want you can put there. Refresh that. Now you can see that the info has been applied there. If you just type danger or any other style, save and refresh that, now it became danger. Why not I just copy this one. Now I can simply paste this here as well, or anywhere you just want, and then just remove the info, just put the danger instead of the info, save that and refresh that. Now you can see that the danger is there and the info is here. Well, something more is there to make the list group more interesting and more interactive to the user. Actually, I just want to add the heading and the text of the heading in the list group. So let's just add the UL. Okay, now I'm just going there on the first one, the starting tag of the UL, and just typing list group again, the same thing again, going inside and typing li. Okay, covering that and going to the going here and adding the same thing, you know that the class of the list group, everything should be the same, list group item. Now go there, insert some tabs. Now I'm just pressing enter because I just want to put something here, and what I just want to put h4, and then here I'm just adding the text of the this is the heading, anything which you just want to put there. Now add a class as well. What the class I'm just going to put is list group item heading, because this is the heading one. Duplicate that one. Now this shouldn't be the heading, so this shouldn't be the h4. I'm just typing div there, and there officially I'm removing the h4 as well, and then I'm just removing the heading because there should be the text. Okay, this is not the heading, this is the text. So here I'm adding the paragraph. This is a paragraph. Whatever you just want to put, you can put. Now simply refresh that. Now I got a new heading. Now one more thing, that if I just copy this one and just paste this here and save and refresh that, now you can see that there are multiple groups of the lists you can see. actually not the group of lists, actually the group of heading, and the multiple groups of the heading and text is there, looking really perfect. Now I'm just gonna go to the notepad and actually just pressing enter. I just want to teach you that how to make this type of list using the div tags. So press another enter and add the div here, and just go to the first one, tag of the div, and then just class. Again, just declare that this is a list group. Well, just going inside this list group, and definitely I just want to make the href again because I just want to make the list selectable or actually accessible. So now there, just simply hash and pressing a space and just adding the class of list group. Everything should be same item. Okay, now save that and end this one, and there just add another thing. And what I just want to add is actually pressing enter and just adding some divs here. Okay, now this one should be another class, and what the class I'm just putting here is just the list group heading, looking perfect. Just duplicate that one and just type the text. Okay, now there, just make it the heading, so remove the div and just type h4. And for the first one's tag, do the same, the h4, sorry, not h3, h4, and then just go there and add the item in the first one area. Okay, and for the text I'm just gonna add some other things, is the paragraph, whatever you just prefer. Now refresh that one. Now you can see that we just created only one heading. So for now I just have to do one thing, that just copy this a tag and paste this here, here, and here. Save that back and refresh that. Now you can see that there are a lot of headings looking really perfect, but something's wrong here. You can see that these are really smart and they are taking an extra space because list group item, this is really necessary, which I just didn't put before. Well, as I said that everything is the same, but I just want to teach you some new things. That is why I just teach you this one as well, the making the list group with the div as well. Item, now just put the item with the every list group's item actually. So there, item, and this is the last one's element, I hope. Item, oh, now that is perfect. Now again add the item, save that, and go to the browser by refreshing this one. Now you can see that it's smart as just this one, and I hope you understood how to make this one as well, and we'll learn some more things in next class. Stay tuned and goodbye.